Hey, once this will be an unboxing here of the Torras Coolify Cyber Ultimate Wearable Air Conditioner. So this thing looks really cool. No pun intended there. So cool and warm, app control, high speed, cool allergy, algorithm powered, Coolify Cyber. Go. So again, smart app control, rapid immersion, speed of recharge, 20-watt fast charging technology, widespread cooling, fast surround cooling up to 23.21 inches squared, covering your entire neck area. Ergonomic engineering, of course, to make it nice and comfortable. 6,000 milliamp large battery. That is a nice, good sized battery. So opening up the box here to see we do have a nice case for it. It says Torras right there. You have a pamphlet here, as well as, let's see, USB-C to USB-C and a fancier design cable as well. And you can see the case here is actually like a really nice charcoal gray color. Has a little strap here, so you can hold on to it if you want to. Open this bad boy on up to reveal the Coolify Cyber itself. Of course, it is adjustable there. Here's a little strap here for the charger. That is awesome. It's a good, nice little touch they did there. You can see the different vents all around it. There's your USB-C charging port. And some more vents, power button, and then to change out the mode. So yeah, alright, so this is just an unboxing of it. I'll be doing a review once I've used it out for a little while. Really funky looking, visor looking neck cooler here. So yeah, alright guys, like I said, stay tuned. I'll be making more another video on this, a review of this once I've used it for a bit. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.